Yo, what up guys? All right, man, in today's video we are going to be installing some aftermarket shocks on the truck. So I just picked these up the other day, and these things are a lot nicer than I thought. The only thing is I just don't know if they're actually going to fit or not. So yeah, it'll be the first time I ever put new shocks on a vehicle, so it's definitely going to be a freaking awesome experience. Well guys, this is the underside of a real man's truck, nice and clean. These shocks are tiny compared to those big Berthas. I have no idea how I'm going to be able to even put these in, so I don't know if those came off of a lifted truck or not. Alright, so I got the bottom one loose. I just got this big old crescent wrench holding down one side, and I was able to get it loose. It's just going to be all running around, but we got the bottom one loose. Now we're working on the top. It's a 12. I got a extension. Damn, people will be driving way too damn close, dude. That's why I hate working on vehicles out here. But if this bolt don't snap, it'll be all right. It's going to work it back and forth. Oh, I think it's going to strip out. Either that or it's turning, or it's... Oh, we got some turnage. Yeah, these things, oh, it is turning. Heck yeah. Let's get that crisp fix view for you guys. All right, beautiful. Put your crescent wrench in there, a little funky, and then you take your half, put it on top, and slowly but surely she will loosen up. I did it the other way and it started to strip the bolt, so I figured I would just lock it in place and go from the top. Take this shock out, but I'm gonna go in. Damn, is that the Jetsons? That's a BMW. Alright you guys, it is the next day. It's about 6:36 in the afternoon and it's 86 degrees. I don't ever want to say that many sixes in a row again. Look at that. That's where it's gonna go, and then look how much bigger it is. What happens? Let's just go. They're the same size. Damn, you hear all these cars? Alright, it doesn't go that way. Oh man. Real quick, I just wanted to note this. So that came out straight. So I took my channel locks or crescent wrench and I put it on and made it straight. Yay, no more LGBTQ. So good news, it fits perfectly, but now I'm having troubles compressing this because of the spring, so I'm gonna have to break out another jack and jack up the spring, and yeah. So alright guys, next day, got the right one. So this one is actually a strut spring compressor. The other one was just a spring compressor. Alright guys, so this is what I did. Let's take this. You gotta make sure that it's pulled towards you, and then boom, there you go. Now you just gotta do the same thing for this one right here, and then put the thread in and tighten it down, buddy. Once you get it threaded in, you just gotta sit here and thread it forever, dude. Alright, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just pulling back on the jack and holding the shock at the same time, like this. And it's basically just gonna compress the spring to where I can get it up in place, hopefully. It's just gonna take a while to do. A little progress, so I gotta jack this up a little bit and then jack that up a little bit at a time. This ain't even freaking centered, so there's that. It wouldn't be so bad if the spring wasn't so tight, but look at that. Yup, it's just right there, bro. I'm honestly about to just take this out, put the stock one back in, get new nuts and bolts for the other side, and just call it a day. You guys ready? I honestly think those shocks are for a lifted truck because my shock fully decompressed side by side with that, same length. And it's back on. Alright, man, so I'm about to go take this damn thing back and get my damn money back and freaking go home and watch some daggum YouTube, dude. They're for a truck with a lift kit on it anyway, so when I would have let my truck down, they would have compressed so damn much. It probably would have broke something, bent something, whatever. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.